Things are moving fast over at the future world of the Lion King. Every time you look at the construction site, there's something new to spot. Vertical construction is really picking up now, with more walls going up almost day by day, making it much easier to imagine the scale of this new land. Around the back of the site, the large show building keeps growing. New columns have appeared, additional floor levels are being added, and this massive structure will eventually house part of the attraction, along with a wide range of technical facilities that will keep everything running behind the scenes. Meanwhile, the front section of the construction site isn't standing still either. More structural elements continue to arrive, steadily shaping what will become one of the biggest additions to Disney Adventure World. Progress is definitely roaring ahead, and with each construction update, the future of World of the Lion King becomes a little easier to picture. The future up-themed attraction continues to take shape, with construction moving steadily forward across the site. One of the biggest changes can be seen on the roof, where crews have now installed the metal cladding, giving the building a much more finished appearance. Decorative ridge details have also been added, matching the late 19th century architectural style that Disney is aiming for in this area. Elsewhere, the wooden beams have now been painted, while work on insulation, electrical cabling, and the roof gutters all appears to be progressing at the same time. Across the rest of the construction site, activity remains constant, and one of the next major milestones is expected to be the arrival of the attraction's main ride structure within the next few months. Even with the recent heatwave, work at Disney Village hasn't slowed down. Construction crews have continued making steady progress across the north wing, with the brick facade now almost complete. A new backlit black frame has also been installed on the front of the building, ready for the graphic display that will be added later. One noticeable change is the return of the brown-themed cladding on the projecting section of the facade, where installation has finally resumed after being delayed for several months. Inside the metal framework, electrical wiring is already in place to power the future canopy lighting. Despite the challenging temperatures throughout the week at Disneyland Paris, crews have kept pushing forward, and the latest photos from inside the building show just how much progress continues to be made. Visible progress is now clearly taking shape on the exterior of Casa Giulia. The curved upper section of the restaurant's facade is being finalized, with new brickwork gradually completing the architectural line and giving the building its intended refined silhouette. One of the most striking developments so far is the installation of the gold ring element on the first floor terrace, paired with a ceramic green wall that creates a strong visual contrast against the warm ochre tones of the surrounding bricks. These color choices are already starting to define the identity of the restaurant from a distance. Elsewhere, Electrical conduits can now be seen extending from the structure, ready to be integrated into the slats of the future terrace pergola, which will eventually be illuminated at night and add a softer atmosphere to the space after dark. The Disney Princess Cavalcade marks an exciting milestone as the very first cavalcade created for Disney Adventure World. Leading the project is producer Sophie Ménager, whose role is to coordinate every aspect of the production, from designing the floats and casting performers to recording the music and making sure everything is ready for opening day. She compares the job to conducting an orchestra, bringing together dozens of different teams to create one seamless experience. Creating a show for a brand new area brought its own challenges. Much of the planning had to happen before the venue was even complete. Once the first floats arrived on site, the team carefully tested their speed and movement along the route, making adjustments to ensure the choreography and timing worked perfectly within the new surroundings. The floats themselves have been designed to balance stunning visuals with complex engineering. Every technical system, from lighting and sound to safety equipment and maintenance access, has been carefully hidden within the decorative elements. According to the production team, guests will keep discovering new details every time they see the cavalcade. Music also plays a major role. 2 brand new original songs have been created exclusively for the show. One accompanies the moving cavalcade, while the other is performed during the show stop, when the procession pauses and performers invite guests, especially children, to dance along. Rather than reusing familiar Disney songs, the team chose to create completely original music with a modern pop sound. One of the songs is performed almost entirely in French, giving the experience a unique touch while still featuring a chorus that's easy for everyone to join in. At its heart, the Disney Princess Cavalcade celebrates adventure. Each float presents its own interpretation of the Disney princess stories, while the performers, costumes, music, and interactive moments combine to create an energetic experience designed to immerse guests from beginning to end. It's not just a new entertainment offering, it's a celebration of the adventurous spirit shared by characters like Moana, Rapunzel, Raya, and Tiana, and an exciting new chapter for Disney Adventure World.